Hey guys, I'm having a little bit of a problem on the API automated email. So when you submit a project on this application, the user who submits it gets a email that's automatically generated, um, which is I'm going to show you real quick. So when you add a project and you click the submit button, you get this nice email that goes to the current user who submitted it, and it's the result of step one's link. So in the email, it works perfectly. You have a link to the actual project. Boom. It's in another page, but well, that's a whole other issue, I guess. I guess now it's going. I have no idea why that's happening. I guess that's another issue. Um, let's look at that one more time. So you successfully submitted the project. Okay, I click it, and now it goes to a blank page. It was going to the project page, which is right here. So a new project was created, and then it used to link to here. I have no idea why it's going to a dead page, but the underlying issue is we had set up an API workflow to send to the person submitting. The person submitting gets the clean project or gets that link, and it's working fine. It does a search for subcontractors who are within that parameter, and then it sends them an email. The thing is, it's sending them a blank email now. So if you go to the API workflow and you go to send email, there's no option here to, well, I get it because there's no project that actually originated. But even if I try to create a project here, I'm not sure if this is the way to do it, but you would create the project here. You don't have all those fields that you need. If you were to go through the steps, there's not enough fields to replicate what's on the other side of the equation at the add project phase. Click button, create a project. All of these fields that you need to create the project are over here. They're not over here in the API workflow. So if you try to create this project, for example, project name is equal to, and then the options are gone. So I can't replicate what I need in order to do the search for the subcontractors and then find them over here and send them an email. So what's happening is they get the email and it says, here's your link to your project, and there's no link. I'm kind of lost at what to do because I'm not sure how to connect it over on the API side, so that we have those fields. If you could help me out, appreciate it, guys.